Man arrested in Ocho Rios over burglary at a church. High drama in St. Catherine as cops shot at, man killed and body found. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police in St. Anne Wednesday morning arrested a man after he broke into a church and attempted to steal equipment. It is reported that the man entered a church, which is located at Point Plaza in Ocho Rios, through a rear window and proceeded to help himself to food in a refrigerator. It is further reported that he then took up equipment and attempted to place them through the window, but was stopped in his tracks by passersby who raised an alarm. There was a high drama Wednesday morning at a section of Elsher Main Road in St. Catherine as gunmen and cops exchanged gunfire. When the smoke cleared, one man was killed, another on the run, and a body was found with the hands and feet bound. The police are conducting operations in the Elsher and Central Village areas of St. Catherine as they search for clues and the man who escaped. The St. Catherine South Police have also issued an alert for people in and around the area to be on the lookout for any strange men. It is reported that the men were traveling in a Toyota Fielder motor car and were reportedly seen acting in a suspicious manner. The police attempted to intervene but were reportedly met with gunfire, which they returned, resulting in one of the men being shot. The other man ran and escaped in the swamp. The man who escaped is believed to be armed. The wounded man, who police sourced stated that is from Central Village, was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead.